Fourth fret, third string, then fifth, slide, look again, third string, seventh fret, then eighth, then first string, slide to third, slide from sixth fret to third. Then hammer on third to fourth, then second string on fourth fret, again, sorry, then third to first, slide on the second fret, no sorry, on the second string, third fret to first, slide, then again to third with the single stroke, then strike on the first fret and then again slide to third. Then third string, second fret, hammer on and pull off, second to fourth, then open to second, hammer on, same third string, then C major, sorry,